What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you different keto meal ideas. These are going to be all keto, low carb ideas. So this was requested by several of you guys because you guys are already doing the keto diet. And I am not going to go too much into what ketosis is or what the lifestyle is because I will be creating more videos and going in depth about that. So right now it's just going to be some basic recipes that you can completely eat on a keto diet just to give you some ideas and kind of help you out. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, just leave them down in the description box, or you have any other video ideas, leave them down below there. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell next to it so you won't miss out on any of my videos. And without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this video. All right, you guys, so the first meal we're gonna make is the bacon cheddar broccoli chicken. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is cook some bacon. You're gonna wanna use 6 strips of bacon, and you're gonna wanna make sure that they're crispy and that they're sizzling in the pan. Next, you're gonna add olive oil. After that, 4 pieces of chicken. Add broccoli, and next you're going to want to add your bacon. You're going to want to add your cheese. Next you're going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So I went ahead and I set it for 30 minutes, and now we just wait. Ooh. Alright, you guys, so today we're going to go ahead and make a keto Philly cheesesteak. So the first thing that you're going to need is an onion. Then the next thing we're going to need is a red pepper. Then the next thing we're going to need is a green pepper, lettuce, provolone cheese, and thin sliced steaks. For seasoning, I'm going to go ahead and use some Himalayan salt and olive oil. First, you're going to want to cut your steak up into thin 2-inch slice pieces. Next, you're going to want to cut up your green peppers. Next, you're going to want to cut up your red peppers. Add onions. And now you're ready to start cooking your meat. Once the meat is brown, go ahead and add your veggies. Okay, and last, what you want to do is rip off your lettuce from your lettuce head and then throw in your steak. And now top it off with cheese. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed our little dinner or meal ideas when you were doing the ketogenic or low carb diet. So I hope these kind of helped you. So if you are looking for some other ideas, or you were curious to how someone eats on the ketogenic diet, then now you have it. So I love you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you. I will be having more of these videos come out, different keto videos, and I do a lot of other lifestyle videos on this channel. So also give me a thumbs up, you guys. It really helps out my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.